This is the elevator to Macy store at Polaris Fashion Place, Columbus, Ohio. Wow. Let's see. ECI airlock, 2001. Mom, I'm over here. We're gonna go up to UL. Ooh, car condition. Here we go. No smoking. Capacity is 4,000 pounds. Here at UL. Well, unfortunately, this store apparently doesn't allow videotaping, so I'm trying to be careful. LL. Let's take a look. Nah. 2001. Here we go. Very nice elevator. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. It's a King 3. MT buttons. 4,000 pounds. There are key switches. MT fire service. Doesn't have RT. No smoking. Here we are back down at LL. Alright, let's set this one up. And we're gonna listen to the machine room. Now we're gonna listen to the machine room. Typical 300 elevator machine. Very unique lantern. Kind of circle shape.